Hello and welcome to this video. I am Shifa Saikalwala from Hacktify Cybersecurity. Hacktify Cybersecurity is a training organization teaching students about ethical hacking, web and mobile application pen testing. In this video, I am going to talk about two new training modules that we have developed for you all. And also I am going to share about the internship opportunity. We have partnered with Virtually Testing Foundation, which is a non-profit organization based in US. We have got this time the opportunity to intern with us on the topic AWS. If you wish to know about the training modules that we have developed and also if you want to apply for free internship, so watch this video till the end. I am going to take you through each and every detail for this internship and the modules. So let's go onto the screen and watch on the portal that what are the different criterias to get this courses and internship. Okay, so here I am onto my screen, which is learn.hacktify.in is the portal, and you can see the very first training module that I am going to talk about is Hacktify Special Chapter 1. So this course opens the door to those who want to be ahead into the penetration and bug bounty hunting career. This course will prepare the learners to take information security career journey to the next level with exclusive first content to be on the top and to avoid duplicates. So how this course works? This course is designed in such a way to ensure that the latest content reaches you on time. The course is full of ready to use private YAML template, custom automation bash scripts, as well as we are going to provide you some custom Burpsuit extension, Chrome extensions, etc. You will learn about a tool which is Nuclei, which is an open source tool, and also you will learn how to write your own custom template, and also we will give you the access to the templates which we have written. So all the templates that we are going to provide you is not publicly available. So all the content that are present over here are a part of our research, and we have created this template exclusively for you. So when you see this, the course talks about the instruction for the template, all about Nuclei, wherein you will learn about the tool Nuclei. Also we are going to give you some YAML templates and also teach you that how you can write your custom templates. Also we have a plan to add some bash scripts over here so that you can mass hunt on any target, and also this you can use for your recon. When we talk about the price for this course, the price is $10 for now, so you can just go ahead and get this course for $10. As you can see, this is just the chapter 1 of the special plan. So we have a plan to come up with more chapters in future. So in all the new chapters, we are going to add new templates, new scripts and new extensions. If you are planning to purchase this today, you can go ahead and get it. We also have a plan to add few videos so that you can exactly know that how to use certain things. We are going to update the videos into the same course, so you don't have to bother, you don't have to worry about anything. You can just go and get it. All the videos will be updated automatically to your portal. Also we have a plan over here which is Hacktify monthly bundle. So this costs you $100. For now you can see that there is only one course inside. So when you go inside, you are going to see the same course which we discussed earlier. So why the cost is different? The cost is different because it's written over here that we are going to include 11 more courses of similar type. That means more 11 chapters will be added over here into the same bundle. So you can get this bundle for $100 and you can save a lot of your money because we are going to provide 12 courses into the same bundle. This is chapter 1. 11 more chapters are going to be launched over here into the same bundle. You can just make the upfront payment and you can get all the discounts. Again, all the videos and everything will be added over here into the videos. For now, these are just templates. You can quickly just grab this opportunity to be faster into the race and you can start using this YAML templates. The second thing that I am going to talk about is the live training courses that we have developed specially for bug bounty beginners. You can go and download the day-wise curriculum from here and also you can enroll from here. So let me open this curriculum for you. So when we are onto this PDF, you can see that we have written very clearly the day-wise agenda that what we are going to do into each day. So here is the 7-day module, so you will know about all 7 days that what we are going to do. And also we have added this timeline which will make sure that each day you have to complete certain tasks. After each day, after each day's training, you have to complete this task, and at the end of the 7th day we are going to provide you with a target, and you have to make a complete VAPT report and submit to us. So this will help us in grading your certificate. Over here you can find out some testimonials and also the instructor information. So this PDF can be easily downloaded from Hacktify.in portal, and also it is very easy to enroll. So you just have to hit on this enroll button and you will see this page. You can just make the payment over here. One last thing that we have added over here is 1-year access to the class recordings. This is when if you are following some different time zone, and also if you are missing classes for any reason, so you have always the recorded content which you can just go and look into. Also you get a lifetime access to the private community wherein you can ask all your doubts and queries. Coming back to learn.hacktify.in, the third and the last thing that I am going to talk about is internship, the AWS internships. So you can just scroll down over here and you can see this button which says reapply for internship June 21. So when you go over here, you can see this form consists of a lot of information. What are the important dates, what are the rules and agreement, and also it has been mentioned over here very clearly that only the first 300 qualified candidates will be admitted to our AWS internship. That means we have very limited spots, you have very limited time to apply for this internship. If you think you are suitable and you want to learn about this internship, you can just surely go ahead. This internship is in partnership with Virtually Testing Foundation. This is a non-profit initiative by us to provide you the hands-on experience on all the latest technologies. This time we have come up with AWS internship. Next time we have a plan to start with the penetration testing internship. So you can just be into the July batch of this internship and learn about AWS. Anyone who thinks that they want to learn about AWS can apply for this internship. And also we have one small criteria over here which says that if you are ready to commit your 10 hours of week for this internship, as well as what we require is your ability to speak and write English, because this is necessary. As I mentioned that the team which is going to handle the internship program is based in US, so we need some common language to communicate. This is the reason we are asking for this particular criteria. And the last thing which is required is that weekly check-in calls which happens generally on Friday, so you have to make sure that you don't miss these calls. So these are the very basic criteria to join in this internship program. To conclude this video, I just want to say that Bug Bounties is all about who is doing first, because the one who has submitted the report very first is going to be rewarded, else everyone will be reported duplicate. If you are the one who is frustrated with a lot of duplicate, do enroll for this module because you are surely gonna get some exclusive content. The second thing that I talked about was live training module. If you are a beginner and you want to start your career in cybersecurity, I would definitely recommend you this course, because this will give you the live interaction with the trainer, and this is how you can learn and do your hands-on on web application pen testing vulnerabilities. And also you get the access to the recordings for next 1 year, so you can watch them anytime you want. The third and the very important thing that I talked about today was AWS internship in partnership with Virtually Testing Foundation. So Virtually Testing Foundation and Hacktify community is a non-profit initiative which is going to provide each and every individual the internship for free. So we don't charge you for internship, neither we pay you stipend for this internship. This is a platform wherein an individual can come, learn, get experience for free. So this is what this internship is about. You can network to like-minded people, and also you can increase your scope of getting job by completing this internships. because this is very much important. When you go to industry, you already have some experience from industry experts. This is surely going to add a lot of weightage to your resume when you are going to apply to any organization, because they always want someone who has already completed this kind of program, and also they know that how to act professionally into the organization. If you have already applied for the internship, I would like to wish you good luck for this internship program, and we look forward to connect with you all very soon. Thank you so much for taking out your